afternoon, all my fellow students and our respected mentors and teachers. Um, my very initial teachers are my parents and my grandparents. After that, when I went to the kindergarten school, there I got two really awesome teachers, and then after that. Through various transfers, I went to different cities and different schools and met various teachers in colleges as well. I met various profs, and here as well I met various mentors and teachers. But one thing in common is that all of them have inspired me or else made my life easier in one or the other way, and made the entire journey at various places very joyful. And there will be some teachers who are always there in my favorite list. So yeah, also the job for teachers is like one of the very hardest job, because they have the work of creating or breaking a generation. So it's a big job to do. So the teachers around the world, a happy Teachers Day. Thank you.